here too technical, so the kind people over at Poetic, they were kind enough to send me over the Spartan case with a ring stand for my Moto G 5G 2025. So this case will fit your Moto G 2025 and Moto G 2026. This case is currently $26.95 plus tax. So this case also comes with a screen protector, so if you don't already have one, you can put one on, but I'm going to save this because I currently already have a screen protector on my device here. So we're just going to get this and put it on the device, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how it feels and if I like it or not. But this case is going to give you some pretty much good protection and add a little bit of rugged feel to your device. So I'm just going to pick up my device, put it in like so, make sure everything lines up, and this is how that is going to currently look on your Moto G 2025 or Moto G 2026. So with this case, you are getting a nice lip, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about at all. No problem there. But if you want double the protection, get your screen protector like me and you will be even better protected. So you do get access to your power button, which is just out in the open. As you can see, no cover. Volume up and down buttons are going to be nice and clicky. Coming to the bottom here, you get your headphone jack cut out, USB-C charging port, your speaker there. The top here, another little hole cut out. Coming on this edge, you do get nothing, but it says Poetic. You get some grip, so you don't have to worry about this phone sliding or falling out of your hand at all. Coming over to the back here, this is where you get nice deep cutouts for those cameras, 3 cameras there. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera, no problem at all there. You do get your 360-degree MagSafe ring, so you can use it for watching your content at this view here, or like this if that's something that you are into. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I really do like what Poetic has to offer with their cases. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.